OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to enable here portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the home screen, find and select the settings, and here you need to find and select other wireless connections right here and choose personal hotspot. So in order to enable the personal hotspot, let's use this switcher, and the hotspot is activated. Here we've got the information. And if you would like to set up the hotspot, let's choose personal hotspot settings. Here you can change the network name, security type, the passcode and AP band. You can also here use the connection management and see the blacklist. You can here also choose maximum number of connected devices and set up some data restrictions. Let's go back. To disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher, and now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.